Your apartment might look full, but most of that problem is poor storage, not lack of space. And these 20 Amazon finds are about to prove it. We're talking smart organizers, clutter-fixing upgrades, and space-saving products that turn crowded rooms into cleaner, calmer, more functional spaces fast. From drawers and closets to kitchens and hidden corners, this lineup is packed with products that make every inch count. Some of these transformations are seriously satisfying to watch. And if something stands out, all the links are right there in the description. Opening the lineup with one of the smartest kitchen upgrades here, this bamboo pull-out spice rack organizer turns wasted cabinet space into smooth, organized storage. Instead of reaching into crowded shelves, the rack slides outward so every spice jar stays visible and easy to grab while cooking. The bamboo finish adds a warm, premium touch that looks cleaner than plastic organizers. Perfect for tiny kitchens where cabinet space matters most. It makes cooking faster, counters cleaner, and storage feel instantly upgraded. Usually priced around $20 to $30. Now, charging straight into a storage essential, these stackable storage bins help multiply space without taking over more floor area. Their stackable design lets you build upward inside closets, pantries, laundry rooms, or under sinks where clutter grows fast. Use them for snacks, toiletries, cleaning products, or random apartment essentials that usually stay scattered. Clear sides make contents easy to spot, while the stacked look feels neat and intentional. This is a simple fix with instant impact, usually priced around $20 to $35. Sliding into a drawer transformation everyone appreciates, this bamboo expandable silverware drawer organizer brings instant order to messy kitchen storage. Adjustable sides expand to fit different drawer widths, creating sections for forks, spoons, knives, and cooking tools without wasted space. No more digging through clutter each morning. The bamboo design looks far more premium than cheap plastic trays and gives drawers a cleaner, modern feel. It's practical and satisfying every day, usually priced around $25 to $40. Rolling into a clutter-fixing favorite, these 4-pack storage bins with bamboo lids make loose household items look clean, hidden, and organized fast. Use them in bathrooms, shelves, bedrooms, kitchens, or laundry rooms for toiletries, snacks, cables, or daily accessories. The lids reduce visual mess, while the stackable shape helps maximize shelves beautifully. Bamboo tops add a premium touch that looks far more stylish than standard bins. Great for cleaner rooms with little effort, usually priced around $25 to $40. Flowing into a surprisingly useful kitchen solution, this tumbler lid organizer finally gives loose drink lids a proper place. Instead of stacking randomly in cabinets or drawers, lids stay upright, sorted, and easy to grab during busy mornings. It saves time, reduces clutter, and keeps your tumbler collection looking far more organized. Perfect for homes full of reusable bottles, cups, and travel mugs. Small organizers like this make a big difference fast, usually priced around $15 to $25.
Bursting into your entryway with everyday value, this coat rack wall turns blank wall space into useful storage instantly. Jackets, hats, bags, keys, and daily essentials finally get a dedicated place instead of landing on chairs or beds. Wall-mounted storage is perfect for tiny apartments because it clears floor space while keeping everything accessible. It also makes entrances look cleaner and more organized the moment you walk in. Smart and practical daily use, usually priced around $20 to $40. Moving into closet-saving territory, this hat organizer keeps caps neat instead of crushed in piles or tossed on shelves. Multiple holders let you store several hats vertically, saving shelf room while keeping every option visible and easy to grab. It's ideal for closets, bedrooms, mudrooms, or behind doors where vertical space gets wasted. If hats usually create random clutter, this organizer solves it instantly while keeping things tidy, usually priced around $10 to $20. Stepping into another closet game changer, this legging organizer gives activewear and folded clothing a smarter storage system. Instead of stacking leggings where everything collapses after one grab, each pair gets its own visible slot for quick, easy access. It saves drawer space, reduces mess, and speeds up getting dressed every morning. Great for closets, dressers, or shelves in smaller bedrooms where organization matters daily. Niche products like this become favorites fast, usually priced around $15 to $25. Sneaking in with a tiny upgrade that adds huge convenience, these round adhesive push towel hooks create hanging space almost anywhere without tools. Stick them on cabinets, tile, bathroom walls, kitchens, or laundry areas for towels, cloths, or light accessories. The push grip design holds items securely while staying easy to remove when needed. For renters and small apartments, no drill storage always wins. Affordable, practical, and instantly useful in overlooked spaces, usually priced around $10 to $15. Moving on with a fridge-side favorite, this magnetic spice rack turns unused metal surfaces into instant kitchen storage. Attach it to the side of your refrigerator or other magnetic appliances to hold spices, oils, condiments, or cooking essentials right where you need them. That frees cabinet room and clears valuable countertop space during meal prep. In tiny kitchens, vertical storage matters more than ever. Fast, smart, and satisfying to use daily, usually priced around $20 to $30. Quick pause. If something stands out to you, all the links are right there in the description. Now let's talk about these drawer dividers. It turned messy storage into clean, organized sections within minutes. Adjust them to fit different drawer sizes. Then separate socks, underwear, utensils, makeup, office tools, or random household items that usually slide everywhere. Everything stays visible, easier to grab, and far less frustrating daily. They're perfect for apartments where each drawer needs to work harder. Small upgrades like this create instant order fast, usually priced around $15 to $25. Stepping into a must-have for apartment living, this clothes drying rack gives you laundry space exactly when you need it, then folds away neatly when finished. It's perfect for balconies, bathrooms, bedrooms, or laundry corners where bulky drying setups waste valuable room. Use it for shirts, towels, workout gear, or delicate fabrics better air-dried. It saves electricity while protecting clothes and keeping floors clear. Fold-away solutions like this make small homes work smarter, usually priced around $30 to $50. Sliding into one of the most satisfying helpers here, this shirt folding board makes laundry look cleaner and more organized in seconds. Place shirts on the board, fold through the panels, and get neat uniform stacks every single time. It works great for t-shirts, polos, kids' clothes, and lightweight garments that usually pile up messy. Better folded clothes also fit shelves and drawers more efficiently. Once you use one, hand folding feels outdated instantly, usually priced around $10 to $20. Now charging into refrigerator organization mode, these 10-pack refrigerator pantry organizer bins help stop food clutter before it starts. Use them for fruits, vegetables, snacks, drinks, sauces, packets, or meal prep items so everything stays grouped and easy to see. No more forgotten groceries hidden in the back. Clear bins make restocking faster while shelves instantly look cleaner and easier to manage. They also work beautifully in pantries and cabinets. Storage upgrades like this always impress, usually priced around $25 to $40. Rolling forward with a floor-saving essential, this non-woven shoe rack shelf keeps footwear neat instead of scattered near doors or stacked in corners. The vertical tiered design stores multiple pairs while using far less room than loose floor storage. Every pair stays visible, easier to grab, and more organized daily. It's ideal for apartments, dorm rooms, bedrooms, or entryways where clutter builds quickly. Cleaner shoe storage instantly improves the whole room's look and flow, usually priced around $20 to $35. Now heading forward, this 9-tier over-the-door pantry organizer transforms unused door space into serious storage instantly. Hang it over pantry, bathroom, bedroom, or laundry doors to hold snacks, spices, toiletries, cleaning products, or everyday essentials. Multiple shelves create vertical storage without using valuable floor space. It's perfect for renters needing more room without drilling walls. Smart hidden space products like this feel like extra square footage, usually priced around $30 to $50. Continuing on, this dresser for bedroom with 8 drawers adds major storage while keeping your room looking clean and controlled. Use the drawers for clothes, accessories, linens, paperwork, or random items creating clutter piles. The top surface also works for lamps, baskets, decor, or daily grab-and-go essentials. It's perfect for apartments lacking closet space or bedrooms needing smarter furniture. One product hiding this much mess changes everything fast, usually priced around $80 to $130.
Flowing straight into closet-saving brilliance, this 5-pack stackable closet storage basket helps shelves hold far more without turning chaotic. Stack them upward or place side by side for towels, clothes, handbags, accessories, toys, or seasonal items. The open front design keeps contents easy to reach while maximizing vertical shelf space beautifully. Perfect for cramped closets where piles constantly collapse after one grab. Practical storage upgrades like this instantly make tight spaces feel calmer daily, usually priced around $25 to $40. Sneaking in with a tiny upgrade that matters daily, these 12 pieces rug tape strips keep rugs flat, secure, and properly in place. They help stop slips, annoying movement, and curled corners that make rooms look messy fast. Great for apartments, hallways, kitchens, or living rooms where rugs shift often. Keeping mats flat also makes vacuuming easier and spaces feel more polished. Small, unnoticed fixes like this quietly improve comfort every day, usually priced around $10 to $15. And closing the lineup with a clutter control essential, this Accordion file organizer keeps paperwork sorted instead of spreading across counters and drawers. Use labeled sections for bills, receipts, warranties, school papers, manuals, or important documents you need quickly. The expanding design stores plenty while taking minimal shelf or desk space. It's perfect for apartments where paper clutter builds fast and storage stays limited. Organized documents save time, reduce stress, and clean up rooms instantly, usually priced around $15 to $25. And that wraps up 20 smart Amazon finds built to make tiny homes and small apartments feel cleaner, bigger, and way more organized. If you found a favorite, let me know below. And if something stood out, all the links are right there in the description. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one.